So you welcome back once again to our page at Sholex Farms, where we rear catfish commercially for food consumption. So today being the 27th day of June 2024, we are making a successful delivery of a fish smoking machine. This farm is located around Ikotun here in Lagos State, Nigeria. All right, so I'm here today to deliver this fish smoking machine, which is also called the oven. It took us just a week and some days to construct and deliver this machine. You know, I do tell you guys that even after your fish are ready for sale, you can decide to add value to your fish. You can decide to smoke your catfish before selling to your customers. So, what is the machine you are meant to use to smoke your catfish? This is the machine you are meant to use to smoke your catfish. So this comes in different form. We have the charcoal powered, we have the gas powered. This standing here is the gas powered, and also we have the firewood powered also. And it also comes in different capacity. We have those ones that are smaller than this, and we have the ones that are far bigger than this, depending on your pocket. So in case you are interested in something like this, you can you want to send us a message, you can give us a call. We are ready to do business with you within Lagos and outside Lagos. Thank you.